Hey everyone, welcome back to another vlog. It's bright and early. We're going to Spocom today, but I also wanted to make this video because I wanted to show you guys my new taillights. I went to sleep so late yesterday editing the video before this, so if you haven't watched that, go watch it. It's me getting my new taillights and installing them. I didn't go too in depth in that video, one because I was literally rushing and I had so much to do for today's show. I want to go more in detail, more in depth about the lights. I want to show you guys all the show modes, so I'll show you guys when we're at the show, and I'm also going to vlog the show. Definitely stay tuned for that. I just met up with Lonzo, so we're gonna head there. We're gonna meet up with Liz right now. I got like 2-3 hours of sleep last night, so it's gonna be a long day. It's gonna be a long day. The show doesn't end till 10 p.m. I think. It's literally 7 a.m. right now, and we can't leave any earlier than that. It's definitely gonna be a day, but it should be fun. We're all gonna be together. Kat's gonna come with me, so we're gonna go meet up with them and with everyone else that we're rolling with, so that'll be exciting. I'm vlogging on my phone because my camera, I don't know what is going on with the lens, but I think I just need a new camera. If you recommend a camera to vlog with that is good, let me know. Liz is here. Oh my god, I think this is the first time I'm showing Liz's new color in the vlog. I'm about to show it. Hello! I'm like, this is the first time your car's in the vlog.
Oh yeah! Surprise, Shadow!
So cute!
No way!
That is so cute!
Like it's like white and pink. Dude.
Crazy, huh? Popping in a week later from when I filmed my intro. I had said I was gonna show my lights at the show, but that did not happen. Honestly, it was so chaotic. It was so hot in there. There was just too much going on that I just couldn't sit there and film that part of my video. I decided I'll just pop in and make that portion right now, and then it'll jump back into the vlog at Spocom. Have my hearts here. Everyone's asking me if I'm gonna sell these, and I don't think so. I think they're just kind of like it's too big of a memento for me to get rid of them. So I just want to show you guys all of the show modes. I want to show you guys kind of what you could do from what I know. I'm still learning them. My lights are color changing LEDs. The ghost lighting module, I believe it's called. It's this app. I have a bunch of show modes from my heart lights because we used all the same stuff. Special guest, if you guys didn't know, I have another pug. Her name's Biscuit. I didn't get to choose her name, but that's her name. She's such a cutie. I still have my other pug, Ollie. He's outside somewhere. But, oh, did you hear me? Come here. Oh, hey. This is the Dazzle one. This one was my favorite on the hearts. Obviously looks so good on the Hello Kitty as well. I feel like you can't go wrong with the Dazzle. This mode, you could literally go on this color wheel and choose any color you want. This is the infamous rainbow one. Cyclone, and it just kind of bounces off of each other. Set all the colors. I could literally change every single group of these colors. I could do like a bunch of shades of pink if I wanted. Your turn signals have to be red. Your brake lights have to be red. A lot of people ask me if these are street legal, and this in show mode it's not. But if you're driving in red, it is. So when I turn on my lights, it does this little startup. That's how I drive. You have to drive with red, just like normal taillights. You could also choose how you want your startup to be. So as you guys saw, I had that little thing, and it's called Scan Sweep. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys Rainbow Road. So did it turn on? I can't even see. So there's just a lot of customization in this. This is literally, you build these to your perfect spec that you want them. Literally choose what you want your turn signals to be. I have wave right now. So that's my turn signal. It is the wave. I can also choose how fast I want it. Let's do, this is sequence. Bounds. So So there's this one. Bubble. Oh, that's actually cute. It's too fast though. I would change how fast it goes. So I just put it down and it could be this. Your basic turn signal. Wow, they are literally blinding me right now. It's just one of the pages. There's all these pages. This is the one that I've been learning to mess with because of the mode that I like so far. One of my favorite modes, and I think it's gonna be my favorite. Every light is a little LED, as you can see. It's literally customize every single dot on this light. So my section 1 is the first bow, section 2 is the second bow, section 3 is that bow, and then section 4 is the Hello Kitty face. So I chose to do the Hello Kitty face the same as the whiskers. Parking lights, this is parking light 1, which is my red. I don't know why it looks so dark there. And then parking light number 2 is my white. Not sure why they look like that, but go to parking number 2 and it completely changes that section. I don't know if that makes sense. This is only for the left side. So now you gotta go to the right side. I changed this. Now we got white. So the Hello Kitty face being different than the bows. I think that is so cute. I honestly haven't played with anything else. I don't even know what I would do. So I don't know. But then if you go to show mode, it's gonna override your parking light. So then I have to go back in, or I could have just done it, but for the sake of showing you guys, you have to turn off this show mode. You turn it off, now you get the white with the show mode. So now this is my favorite, the hot pink sparkle with the white face. This is what I've been using. I could do this dazzle any color I want and it'll keep the face white with that setup that I just did, if that makes sense. There's just so many show modes that you could do. These are all the ones that I could do on my lights. It's a lot. I haven't even played with every single one of them because it's just so hard to go through them and then kind of like mess with the speed, see what looks right. So this is kind of giving the dazzle, but you could choose different colors. So white and pink that's mixed in with it. I could add in green, I guess. I can mix in orange. Obviously it's looking funky because of the colors I'm choosing, but you know, play with the colors. You could delete these. Okay, I guess that's strobe. Looks like a party out there. You guys watched my last video, you guys know this is from lonzowerks, lonzowerks.com. These are made to order, so just message him and be patient. He's literally like a one-man show, literally does it all. So check out his stuff, follow his page, look through his website. He's also the one that made my bash bar, so if you guys are looking for bash bars, go get your bash bar from him. Now I basically only showed kind of how to customize and how the app works and kind of what I see from my end. If there's any other questions that you guys have, maybe I could answer or I could ask Lonzo, you know, in the comments, or you DM me on Instagram. So now let's time travel back into the show. Chick-fil-A little outfit check for the morning. I haven't taken my jacket off when we're there, but it's gloomy right now, so let's go eat. Yummy. Got the 326 wings. This is the lineup we're going with to the show. We're all the way back there. Let's check the Chick-fil-A. It wasn't me. This is the rolling in setup. We're about to go check in. Are you kidding me? while we wait. Under arrest. We're getting searched. Hey, yo, who is this? That could be you. What has Liz got in there? What has she got in there? We got real ones right here. Look, they got off to record us rolling in. We're finally going in. It's literally about to be 12. We got here at 10:30 to roll in. That's how long it'll be taking.
Freaking cat.
We just parked. This is our lineup. We came with Eminence. Love it! I put my license plate on. Gunmetal color. He has the center cap too. Look at this full carbon STI. S14 is beautiful. The freaking seats I want. Right hand drive. Oh my god, it smelled so good in there. This is lonzowerks work. Look at this. Here's our row. And I'm not gonna lie, our lineup is noise. Got Austin's car, Liz's car of course, but look at this, look at this, look at this. Street Bliss. We're getting branded right now. With the matching white bash bars. Another 326 wing, but this looks so sick. I love the white. Would go nuts for this right now. Okay, go.
Oh, bro, that's fire. What the fuck? No way.
We just put them on yesterday.
That's the first. I've never seen
yeah.
I like how the little bows are like sparkling.
Yes.
That's sick. What the hell? I didn't
the night. Look at this chaser with the bucket seats in the back. I have never seen that. That is so sick. We're ending the night here. There was so many people at this gas station, but they're all kind of gone now. But it was a long day. I'm so tired. I'm so hungry. Okay guys, I'm finally back home. It was such a long day. I feel dead inside. I feel like I look dead. I'm so tired. Let me know what you guys think about the lights. Let me know if there's any questions you guys have on it or anything else that you might want to know. If you guys love them as much as I do. I was getting such nice comments about them today. People were loving it, so I was so happy about that. It was obviously my first time taking it up today. Show was really fun. There was really cool cars there. It was really hot and a really exhausting day, but it was fun, so that's all that matters. And I got to hang out with my friends. I'm gonna be ending this video here. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.